How to log out of Viber on Android. If you want to log out of your Viber account, first open it up and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to log out of. So if you guys know, if you tap on the More option at the top bottom right, here you'll be able to see your settings menu. Just head over there, and once you land on the settings page, tap on Account section. And as you can see, there is no option to log out of your account. But what you can do instead is deactivate your account. It will log you out of your account, and once you log back in again, your account will be reactivated. This is the first method. The other thing that you can do is head over to Viber's app info and then simply scroll down to storage. Now, all you have to do here is tap on clear data and clear out all of its data. What it will do is it will clear out application data and will be deleted permanently. It will include all of your files, settings, accounts, and database. So it will also remove your account, which means you will be logged out of your account. So go ahead and click on delete, and then you should be able to log out of your Viber. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.